Artichoke. Start with the flat napkin. Fold all four corners to the center to make a smaller square. Fold the new corners to the center. Flip it, then fold again the new corners to the center. Then reach out underneath to pull out the layered leaves, forming the artichoke's distinct petal look. And when you reach the underneath leaves between the petals of the artichoke, it becomes cabbage.